Hello, welcome to Special Data Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to use your measure tool to measure features, points, lines, and polygons here in Google Earth Pro. So your measure tool can be found on your toolbar here, show ruler. And then if you want to measure a line in this case being from one point A to another point B, you can simply click on the first point and click on the second point, and that will be it. And then it shows you the length of the line and then the unit, which you can always change to meters, kilometers, and as the case may be. Then if you have to measure the length of a path, let's say you want it along multiple points, you don't just want a straight line, then you can, let's get around this route as well. So you click on the first point and you can click on multiple points along your path. You can click on multiple points and then it shows you the total length of the path. If you want to see the elevation profile of this path which you've created, you can always do this and it shows you the elevation profile along this path. I'll cover this probably in a different video, but I just wanted to chip it in right now. So if you also want to measure the area and perimeter of a polygon, you can just zoom in nicely and click on the edges of the polygon. I want to make this pretty. So the edges which you click are the edges which will be captured in your measurement. When you're done with this, you don't need to right click or left click anything. You just check your perimeter, check your area, you adjust your measurement parameters, measurement units, and you're good. In any case, you can always save the part or feature which you have checked out. When you click on save, it now gives you the option to rename. You can call it anything. You can add a description, you can add an image to the description either from the web or from your local computer. You can change the color and styling. In this case it's red. You can change it to anything you want. You can also adjust the width of the outline. You can adjust the color of the area inside. You can check out the measurements, and then you can always do this. Oh wow, we didn't save that. Okay. Okay, I wanted to save it and show how to. Let's just save it. Polygon measure. Yeah, that's this. So after saving, if we are out of this point on your places layer, you can double click and it takes you to that point. Just click for it to stop. You can right click here and say show properties and always check the measurements and adjust your settings as the case may be. So one more thing for 3D polygons and 3D buildings. Let's see this stadium building. If you have to measure the height of the stadium building, let's see how we could do it. Let's zoom in. Of course, if you had watched my previous video, you will see how to enable 3D buildings here in Google Earth Pro. If you haven't, do well to check it out. I'm sure you will love these features. So we are on 3D parts. I think we should be on 3D polygons. 3D polygons is for, now let's 3D parts. I want to see the height. So you can click on the edge here and click on the edge here and see how many meters it is. 18.4 meters. So this might be an approximately correct number. So for the polygons and the area and perimeter, then you'll have to go around the structure. That'll be it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create features properly, not just saving measured features. Do not subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.